Hey everyone, Yitzi Nussbaum here with the Nussbaum team at KW. I'm here today at 111 Jib Circle, here in Brick, New Jersey. This home redefines modern living, offering 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms on the lagoon. I hope you guys enjoy this tour. Enjoy cooking in the beautiful amenities this kitchen offers: stainless steel appliances, beautiful cabinetry, quartz countertops with waterfalls, and then a bar on this side. Let's have a drink. Welcome to the Master Suite. Enjoy the balcony off the master bedroom, overlooking the lagoon. I'm definitely dressed for this. Hope you guys enjoyed this tour. To schedule a showing, give us a call, 929-777-0347. See you next time.